Starting or growing a business can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Welcome to the Small Business Development Center at Texas A&M University Victoria, your partner in business success. Whether you're exploring a new idea, launching a startup, or growing an established business, we're here to help you navigate the process and move your business forward. We are part of the largest small business assistance network in the United States, with more than 1,000 centers nationwide. Our center is funded in partnership with the U.S. Small Business Administration, the state of Texas, and Texas A&M University Victoria. We provide one-on-one advising with certified business advisors for entrepreneurs at every stage of business ownership. Our services are provided at no cost and are completely confidential. Our mission is to foster small business success and strengthen the Texas economy one business at a time. The Texas Small Business Development Center network includes 4 regions and 42 field centers located at colleges and universities across the state. Together, these centers support entrepreneurs throughout Texas, providing local expertise backed by a statewide network of resources. The Texas Southwest SBDC network serves 79 counties through 11 field centers and 3 specialty centers. These centers are supported by 9 different institutions of higher education. Wherever you live, you're never far from a SBDC. Here in Victoria, we proudly serve entrepreneurs and small businesses across the Crossroads and Coastal Bend regions, supporting a diverse 11-county area, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Our center offers 3 core services to support your success. First, confidential business advising. You'll work one-on-one with experienced advisors who provide personalized guidance tailored to your goals. Second, training workshops and programs. These sessions cover essential topics such as starting a business, accessing capital, marketing strategies, and financial management. Third, tools, resources, and specialty centers. We connect you with funding opportunities, strategic partners, and the resources your business needs to grow and succeed. When you meet with us, you can expect a dedicated one-on-one session lasting approximately 60 to 90 minutes. You're welcome to bring a partner, friend, or key team member. Our conversations are collaborative, practical, and focused on your goals. Most importantly, you'll leave with greater clarity and a plan for moving forward. One of the questions we hear most often is, how do I get started? The process is simple. Schedule an appointment online or by phone, and we'll connect you with a business advisor. You don't need a business plan before meeting with us. We can help you develop one, or simply talk through your idea and next steps. Our advisors work with entrepreneurs at every stage of business ownership, providing support as businesses start, grow, and adapt to new opportunities. Whether you're just getting started or managing an established company, we're here to help. Getting started is easy. Complete an advising application at victoriasbdc.com, meet with your dedicated advisor, and begin developing a personalized plan for your business. You'll also have access to ongoing advising, training opportunities, and additional resources as your business evolves. If you're ready to take the next step, give us a call at 361-485-4485 or visit us at our Northwest Center location. We look forward to partnering with you on your business journey.